Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Developer Tools menu in Safari on Mac. So step 1, of course, launch the Safari browser on your dock or your desktop folder. Now for this one, go to Safari Preferences in the top menu bar, click on Safari, select Preferences or press this command. And then step 3, navigate into the Advanced tab. In the Preferences window, take note guys, it should be in the Preference window. This should be in the upper left corner as well. Click on the Advanced tab, usually the last one on the right. Step number 4, enable the Developer menu. At the bottom of the Advanced tab, check the box that's Show Developer menu in menu bar. And then step 5, confirm the Developer menu is enabled. You will now see a Develop option in the Safari top menu bar. This should be now seen on the top right corner of your Safari browser. You're all set, and then the Developer Tools menu is now enabled, giving you access to powerful tools for web development and of course, web debugging. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.